Elon Musk takes warfare to warp speed with a UFO fighter jet. Will it lead to war or peace? Today, we're diving deep into a story that's turning heads around the globe, stealing the limelight from the intense Israel-Hamas conflict. At the center of this buzz is none other than Elon Musk's SpaceX, which is already known for its revolutionary rockets. But now, they've taken a giant leap into the unknown with their latest reveal, a UFO fighter jet. This isn't your ordinary aircraft, it's something straight out of a science fiction movie, and it's got everyone talking. As we explore this marvel of modern engineering, we'll discover how it could completely transform the tactics and technologies of future conflicts and shake up international relations in ways we've never seen before. Stick around as we delve into the nuts and bolts of this extraordinary machine and its potential to rewrite the rules of aerial combat and diplomacy. From its cloaking invisibility to hypersonic speeds, Elon Musk's latest adventure could very well be a game-changer on the global stage, reshaping how nations think about defense and security in the sky. SpaceX's pioneering rockets. Let's kick things off by zooming in on SpaceX's trailblazing fleet of rockets, which have not just reached for the stars, but have grabbed a bit of the spotlight for themselves along the way. The journey began with the Falcon 1, a real pioneer as the first privately funded, liquid-fueled rocket to carve its path to orbit. Launched into the great blue yonder, it completed 5 historic flights before its retirement in 2009, setting the stage for a new era in space travel. Next in line was the Falcon 9, debuting in 2010 with the muscle to lift up to 22,800 kilos into the void above. Its claim to fame, a reusable first stage that came back to Earth for a touchdown and reuse, slashing the hefty price tag and environmental toll of space missions. But why stop there? Enter the Falcon Heavy, flexing its might in 2018 with a jaw-dropping ability to haul up to 63,800 kilos to low Earth orbit. Remember when Elon Musk's cherry-red Tesla Roadster got a one-way ticket to orbit the sun? That was all thanks to the Falcon Heavy. And the ambition doesn't end there. SpaceX is now polishing the Starship, a spacecraft that dreams bigger and aims higher than its forebears, designed to carry humans further into space than ever before, with sights firmly set on the Moon, Mars, and perhaps someday beyond. With each rocket launch, SpaceX isn't just breaking records, they're rewriting the rulebook on what's possible in the mystery of the X1 UFO. Now, let's venture into the shadows where the mysterious X1 UFO lurks, a creation that might as well have leapt from the pages of a futuristic novel, developed under a shroud of secrecy that would rival any spy movie. The X1 is not your typical aircraft. It's a marvel that zips through the skies at hypersonic speeds of 4,600 miles per hour, blurring the line between science fiction and reality. What really sets it apart is its revolutionary camouflage technology. This isn't just a coat of stealth paint. We're talking about a sophisticated system that renders it almost invisible, making it a ghost against the canvas of the sky. As soon as it burst onto the scene, the X1 sparked a flurry of questions and speculation. Its capabilities suggest a significant shift in how aerial combat and surveillance could be conducted, particularly in sensitive areas, like those affected by the Israel-Hamas conflict. As you can imagine, governments and military strategists around the world, especially the US, are keeping a very close eye on this flying enigma. The potential of such a craft to alter the dynamics on the battlefield is immense, raising both hopes and concerns about the future of international security and warfare, technological marvel, and global politics. Elon Musk's foray into the world of advanced aerospace with the X1 has stirred the pot of global politics in a big way. This isn't any aircraft buzzing through the skies. It's a powerhouse that packs a compact space shuttle engine, the kind previously only seen on the Hawk hypersonic missile. What does this mean on a broader scale? Well, it means the X1 can dance around existing missile defenses with the grace of a ballet dancer, all while cutting down on fuel use by a whopping 30%. But that's not all. It's also armed with a futuristic microwave technology capable of knocking out enemy electronics or, if necessary, melting opposing aircraft right out of the sky. This leap in technology isn't just a step forward, it's a quantum jump that could completely redefine the rules of engagement in warfare. The X1 isn't just about showing off high-tech muscle, it's about reshaping how nations approach defense and attack, turning old-school combat tactics on their heads. Simply put, in the chess game of international military strategy, Musk's X1 has just introduced a game-changing piece that could maneuver in ways previously thought impossible. potentially altering the entire landscape of global security. The controversy and capability of the X1. As the Pentagon keeps a watchful eye, the X1 continues to dazzle and raise eyebrows with its extraordinary capabilities. This craft isn't just flying high, it's soaring into the stratosphere with the ability to climb to an astounding altitude of 105,000 feet, eclipsing the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. This isn't just about setting new records, it's about redefining the limits of what's possible, both in the theater of war and the arena of space exploration. Its blend of stealth and blistering speed positions the X1 not merely as an aircraft, but as a potential pioneer on the final frontier. However, even with all its advancements, the X1 isn't without its rivals. The likes of the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor are in the mix, each equipped with the fierce AM-10 hypersonic missiles that boast speeds of Mach 4. While these jets may struggle to keep up with the X-1's sheer velocity, their armaments mean they're not to be underestimated. This dynamic creates a fascinating battlefield scenario, where traditional dogfights give way to a high-stakes game of cat and mouse at speeds and altitudes that push the envelope of aerial combat as we know it. A glimpse into SpaceX's broader contributions. SpaceX's influence stretches far beyond the realms of rockets and radical aircraft. The company has cast its net wide, touching lives across the globe in more ways than one. Take the Starlink project, for example. This isn't just another satellite network. It's a lifeline, beaming down internet access to the most remote corners of the planet, ensuring that no one is left in the digital dark. But Elon Musk's vision of connectivity doesn't stop there. It's about bridging the gaps and building a more connected world. And when disaster strikes, SpaceX has shown it's there to lend a hand. Remember the harrowing Thai cave rescue in 2018? SpaceX was right there, innovating on the fly to develop a mini submarine to help save the trapped soccer team, a testament to the company's commitment to using its tech for good. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this ethos continued as SpaceX supported public health efforts, not just through donations, but by collaborating on critical antibody testing. These initiatives underscore a broader mission. SpaceX is not just about reaching new heights in space travel, but also about harnessing its technology to tackle some of the most pressing challenges on Earth and beyond. Conclusion: as we survey the ever-evolving world of global conflict and technological advancements, the role of cutting-edge innovations like the X1 becomes crystal clear. This isn't just about developing new tech, it's about the ripple effects such advancements can have on the global stage. The way technologies like the X1 are utilized could very well tip the scales, either ramping up tensions or paving the way for groundbreaking peace initiatives. It's a dual-edged sword, where the potential for both conflict and resolution rides on the wings of these futuristic machines. With every rocket launch and every new development, SpaceX is doing more than just expanding the frontiers of space exploration. It's actively reshaping the geopolitical landscape, challenging nations to rethink their strategies and alliances. As we move forward, the actions of companies like SpaceX could provoke important questions about regulation, collaboration, and the pursuit of technology for the greater good. The story of SpaceX is not just written in the stars, but in the shifting sands of international politics and human progress. So, what do you think the future holds with these advancements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and warfare.